If you have a 9 to 5 day job and you are a busy mom, busy dad, and you only have 2 to 3 hours per day to learn and do some side hustle and make some extra money, then this video is for you. But first, I actually plan to make this video only for my Smart Ebook AI customers. So if you are watching this video for free, then you are getting a training for paying customers for free. Awesome. So we will show you how to use this AI technology to make money. But before that, if you have no idea what SmartEbookAi is, you can get to this website by clicking the link in the description. SmartEbookAi creates ultra-stunning 3D animated ebooks and flipbooks using DeepSeek, ChatGPT 4.5, Claude Sonnet 3.7, and Grok 3, the latest versions of AI platforms. But it doesn't stop there. It can create a book in just 30 seconds, but it doesn't stop there. It auto-publishes your books into top platforms like Amazon KDP, Google Books, and Apple Books. So you sell them there and make money. It also turns your AI book into audiobook to get more traffic, sell more, make more money. And it also turns your book into video books. That's why people gone crazy since we launched this offer yesterday. This is the Warrior Plus account where we launched this software. And did you see that? Smart Ebook AI. So far, in 12 hours, 294 sales generated $7,000 in sales revenue. However, the most important for me is that every single visitor that's visiting this website is paying us $7.18 on the average. Here is something important to understand. Everybody is not buying. Only 31%, which means 31 out of 100 visitors are buying. Look at this, from less than 1,000 visitors, we made almost $7,000 and we just started. Okay, so where is the money, Mosh? I'm here for money. Money is right here. Listen, making money is actually simple, but it comes with some problems. Like if you want to use a software, it has a learning curve. If you want to go through a course or a program, you have to go through hundreds of training modules, a lot of hours, days, and before you get any results, you lose your momentum, lose your motivation, and eventually you stop taking any action, quit, and make no money. The solution is the 5P system. First of all, where is the money? Money is in the pocket of people. How can you earn this money? Well, before you want to earn money, think about pain. Pain that people have. And for their pain, they are ready to pay for painkiller. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9 to 5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program. And our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Okay, let me write it down. This is people who have the money, and this P is pain. And Habibi, people are ready to pay money for painkiller. Mosh, I don't have a pharmacy. I have a 9 to 5 day job. I don't know what is pain and what is painkiller. Is that what you're saying? I have the right answer for you. Here is an example of pain and painkiller. People want to write books for many reasons. They want to sell, they want to make money, they want to become an author, establish their authority, marketing, blah, blah, blah. The pain is, it's not easy to write a book. Here is a book. This book made us $17,000. But this book also has 27,000 words. Do you have time and expertise to sit down and type 27,000 words? So the pain is that people don't have time and people don't have the expertise to write books. But that's not all. After writing a book, they need to convert it into audiobook and video book. That takes a lot of time and technical knowledge as well. We put the solutions of all the problems under one umbrella. So that's our painkiller. Now, somebody had to make this painkiller. That somebody is product creator. In this case, we are the product creators. Now, because creating product like an AI software like this is a huge task. It takes weeks, if not months, to build something useful and that actually works. So we do not have time to take our product to the people and take their money. So we reach out to another type of service providers, and they are called promoters or affiliates. And since yesterday, in just 12 hours, we paid $309,036 in affiliate commissions to all these affiliates. There are total 76 affiliates or promoters promoted this product or painkiller, and they earned these commissions. So when people pay money for their painkiller, part of that money goes to the product creator and the other part goes to the promoter or affiliate. Now here is another Warrior Plus account, and I'm going to the vendor section, offers. Do you see this little book here? This book offer made us $17,259 from this one funnel. We are running paid ads to this book offer, and here we go. We made $746, and from other funnels we made another like $18,000. So from this one book we have made around $35,000. So by using SmartEbookAi, you can create ebooks, audiobooks, video books. You can give those books to people as painkiller or the solutions to their problems, and you make money either as a product creator or as a promoter or both. Mosh, this sounds too theoretical. I mean, can you give me some 1, 2, 3, 4 steps so I can follow and make money? Yes, I'm coming there. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts, then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help, and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. The reason I'm telling you this is that once you are only a product creator, then you earn 50%. And once you are a promoter or an affiliate, you earn another 50%. But if you are both, then you earn 100% of the sales revenue. That's the power of creating a painkiller, an easy painkiller like an ebook, and promoting it yourself and keep 100% of the sales revenue. Okay, Mosh, I want to be a creator because it seems prestigious. Show me how. I have the solution for you. Go to my YouTube channel and search right here with AI Book Masterclass and watch this video. This video will show you how to write book that you can just sell for $5 and it will make you $35,000. What? How is this even possible? Remember, I showed you this book that made total $35,000 so far? We sell this book only for $5. And this book is written in a way that we make money selling the book first, and we make more money when the book sells for us. This video will cover both, step by step, how to write a book that makes you money when you sell it, and then the book makes you more money by selling more on your behalf. Alright, to make it easy for you, I'll put a link to this video in the description below as well. You'll get all the steps and all the prompts at the same time. But hey, since you're already here watching this video, and some of you already have access to SmartEbookAi, why not I show you step by step how to turn today's video content into a book. In fact, a money-making book. Step number 1, I made a plan of what I want to cover in this video. And I used a freemium software that has free trial, switch on dictation mode, and recorded everything in my mind. And this is the transcript of what I thought. These are all my thoughts. It doesn't have a lot of sequence, and it is not correct anyway, especially because I am not an English native. I make a lot of mistakes. In any case, I simply recorded what I had in mind. I gave a lot of pause. There were lots of thoughts, stops, thinking, recording, and finally, this is it. But now it needs to be perfect. And I wanted to have a complete plan in front of me when I shoot this video. So I simply copied and pasted this whole transcript into Claude and ChatGPT. The instructions were already inside, and I asked AI to write a but and therefore story. Okay, now we are going to another direction. But and therefore story is called BAT framework. It's an interesting way to tell stories. If you say something like, hey, I woke up today, then I went to work, then I had my lunch, then I got tired, and then I drove back home, it's boring. Instead, if you say, hey, I woke up in the morning, I went to washroom, but there was no water. Turns out there was a problem in the water supply. So I called the maintenance guys. They said they will come and fix it, but they didn't come and fix it in half an hour. I was getting late to work. I needed a fast solution. So you see, I'm telling you a context, and then I will tell you a problem, and then I tell you how I solved the problem. The video you're watching right now has that exact same but and therefore framework. So far, I have been telling you a but and therefore story. Now, if you want to learn more about this but and therefore story, it's super interesting. And when you use it with AI, AI writes the story for you. Go to my YouTube channel and search with BAT, and you will find multiple videos. I think currently we have 2 videos that will show you step by step how to use the BAT or BAT framework. Now, Claude wrote the story, but there is a but. There was really a big fat but. My instruction was for 5 P's. People, pain, product creator, and promoter. But for some crazy reason, Claude AI mentioned only 4 P's system. Now, I didn't like it. Therefore, this is how but and therefore is used. Therefore, I told Claude to correct it. But at the same time, I gave some more instructions or prompts. So the final script is ready for me. I did not actually ask for a script first. First, I asked for an outline. And look at this. Claude gave me a context, Claude gave me a but, and Claude gave me a therefore. Now, when I was shooting this video, today's video, I looked at this outline and I kept recording. But Claude didn't stop there. Claude actually wrote a complete script that I can copy and paste in any AI software and create an AI video. But there is a problem. AI softwares are not free. They're not even cheap. Therefore, I used the outline and shot my video. Did you like it? I hope you did. Whether you liked it or not, smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family, because it shows you exactly what we do and how we do, and we make money from it. If you want to turn anything into a book, then use this prompt. You can take a screenshot, or let me just read it for you. First, you say what you want. Then you give as much details as possible of your target customer avatar. Then you tell AI where to take inspiration for the book. And then this is where you make double money. I said, I want you to subtly promote my 99% done for you program through the book. Subtly as the most effective universal solution to our readers' biggest problem and desire. You can learn details about my program and take other ideas from the webinar transcript attached here. Can we start? How do you want to start? You select the model you want to use, and if you have any other settings, then use it, and then provide the details of the program that you want to promote. I have the transcript of my webinar, so I just attached it. Now all I'm going to do is click this button. And now Claude is thinking, Claude is going to start writing. Let's go. It just started. And look at this. My money-making book started writing right in front of you. It looks good to me so far. It has already taken content from the current chat that we are having with AI, and now it's taking content from the webinar, giving the information required, and we are already on chapter 8, adding testimonials, what happens if you choose the do-it-yourself route, or you choose the done-for-you route, the final thought, conclusion, and literally the whole book is written right in front of you. But that is not enough. I started this video showing a mistake that Claude wrote 4 P's instead of 5 P's. And AI makes a lot of mistakes like this. If this happens, you should learn how to handle it. So watch this video regardless. Let me know if you like this video, my friend. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. That's the most guaranteed way to get notified by YouTube when we will upload our next video. Plus, we have a goal of hitting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and it's only possible if you help us. So when you share this video, ask your friends and family and your social media contacts to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you in advance. For more money tactics, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.